This recipe video is part of a set that are designed to be used at your own pace. Pause the video and play it again when you're ready to carry on. Before you start, make sure that you are ready to cook. Tie your hair up if you have long hair and roll up your sleeves if necessary. Remove any jewellery or your watch and wash and dry your hands thoroughly. Finally, put on a clean apron. In this video, we're going to show you how to make scrambled eggs on toast using a microwave. Crack the eggs into the bowl and season with black pepper. Add 1 tablespoon or 15 ml of milk to the eggs and mix together with the fork. Place the bowl in the microwave on high for about 30 seconds. Stir the eggs using a clean fork. If the eggs are firm, then stop cooking. If not, give them further 30-second bursts, stirring between each cooking time until they are ready. Stir with the fork at the end to break the eggs up. Put the bread in the toaster and toast. Once toasted, put the toast in the middle of the plate and spread the butter or spread. Spoon the cooked scrambled eggs on top of the buttered toast, and then season with a little black pepper if you'd like to. Serve your scrambled eggs on toast with reduced sugar baked beans and sliced fresh tomatoes. For more recipe videos like this, visit foodafactoflife.org.uk.